And then labo. Hello everyone, my name is Am and welcome back to my channel. We will be unboxing packages today, which was from the huge sale on Lazada 12.12. I got a total of 9 packages or around 18 items, and mostly are for home and organizing use. But before we proceed, I would be having my very first giveaway. We already have around 950 subscribers, almost 1,000. And I just want to give back to my supporters and viewers. To know the mechanics, what you'll get on this giveaway, and how to join, please stick until the end of this video. So let's start unboxing in random order. Charot. I'll choose the smallest one first. I will be putting all the description of the items here and on the description box as well. First item is our bag organizers. So these are really great bag organizers. So it has compartments and the zipper as well. Next, I got a wallet, and it has a dust bag. And you can put your phone in it. Let's try it. It also has a strap. That's cute. Also got 2 more wallets. Looks sturdy for your cards. Ooh, I love this. This is a Lazy Dust Cleaner Slipper Shoe Mop Cover. So you can wear this and then you can clean the house. I'm excited to use this. It's a hair dryer. It's a foldable hair dryer. Next, these are cosmetic large capacity multi-function portable large bags. So you can put your makeup in it. It's nice, right? Next, oh, okay. It's an extension cord. Has USB ports. Love it. And it has a switch. Turn on and off. And this one, a bit big. I think these are also like organizers. Ooh. The 6 pieces clothes storage bags packing cube. A gray one. A pink one. And a travel pouch. Travel cable pouch case organizer. And there is also foldable clothes closet storage bag, organizer box for clothes and blankets. So we have organizers. Next is this one. It's a bit big and it's a healthy spray mop. Awesome. Last one. The last one is, I think, is going to be my most favorite one. It's really big and it's heavy. It's electric impact drill tool set. So I'll have my very first drill. Aww. And I've been wanting this for a long time. Oh my god, this is heavy. This is really heavy. Alright, so those are everything that I got from Lazada 12.12, huge sale, and how I use them. These are the items that I will be giving away. These are the mechanics for the giveaway. Number 1, make sure that you are subscribed to my channel and also the notification bell is turned on. Number 2 is like this video. 3, follow me on Instagram, that's m_bihag. And number 4 is to comment gratitude 1K and then tell me what's the greatest gift you received this Christmas and why. Hope you join, guys. I really want to thank you for all the support. I will make sure to make more amazing videos and always let me know on the comments what other videos you would like to see next. Thank you so much for watching. Keep in mind that there is always something to be grateful for. Thank you. See you next time. Bye.